Hey everyone, I'm David Nielsen with Platinum Idaho Real Estate, and today I'm going to take you through a virtual walkthrough of our listing at 5919 West Cruzen Street in Boise. There's so many things that I love about this home, but I'll share with you the highlights and then we'll go through the inside and then the backyard as well. But I really love the location of this because it's in just such a quiet neighborhood. And as you can see around a lot of these homes, this home was built in 1958, very solid construction, as were all of these homes, and many of them are starting to turn around and be renovated and rehabbed. And so they're really it's really a cute neighborhood, quiet neighborhood. And in addition to just being on a quiet street, it's also a fantastic location for just access. So if you want to live in Boise and have easy access to anywhere, there's really no more central location than this location because you're literally just a couple of minutes from the connector. You can hop down Chinden and get to downtown Boise. You can hop down Chinden and get to Eagle in just minutes as well. So there's really easy access. The elementary school you can walk to, that's just a block away. You could walk to Winstead Park. Fantastic location if you want to get around to everything in Boise. But let me take you around the inside and we'll walk through and I'll show you the inside of the house and all of the wonderful features that we have. So as you come in the house, you're greeted by these hardwood floors, original hardwood floors, except for the kitchen where we redid those because originally this home had a wall here. And so what the sellers did was took out this wall and opened up the entire kitchen. And one of the things I really love about this house is there's so much light. I mean, you've got these big picture windows looking out to the front yard and also into the backyard as well. In the kitchen, let me just show you in the kitchen some of the things that I love. So you've got stainless appliances, beautiful range hood. I love the quartz stone countertops. And let me show you this. This is basically just a built-in pantry. I mean, there's tons of storage. So like a wall pantry with some open shelving throughout. So you kind of have that Pottery Barn look, but then you've got the storage in the cabinets too. Over here, lots of great views looking out the front and plenty of cabinetry throughout. But I think if you like to entertain and you've got the bar space here, this is really the place to be because everybody can gather and it's just such a wonderful setting. Looking out in the backyard, I love this view here. So there's light really pouring in from every direction. Let's go down the hallway and I'll walk you through and take you down to the bedrooms. So there are 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1.5 bathrooms upstairs, and all of the hardwoods go throughout the entire home. Each of the bedrooms is pretty good size. There's a half bath here to the right as you walk down the hallway. Beautiful marble countertops, brand new tile flooring, vanities, etc. And then again, the bedrooms here, you have your first bedroom to the left. And each of these bedrooms, again, you talk about light, each of these bedrooms has a lot of light. So there's 2 windows in every bedroom, some bigger than others, but there's plenty of light coming in. So here's the first bedroom. And then down the hall to the right after the powder bath is the main bathroom. So again, similar vanities, the modern style. I love the round vanity mirrors and the light fixtures up above, but the shower's been retiled and everything, so it's really a nice bath. Hall storage. You've got some of the original mid-century modern style hall storage, linen closet, built-in drawers here that are wonderful. And then we've got a pretty good sized bedroom here as well to the left. And again, like lots of light pouring in, and then finally down the end of the hallway, you've got your 3rd bedroom up here on the main level. All of these bedrooms are staged with queen beds, so you can see there's plenty of space inside the house or inside each bedroom for, beds, nightstands, dressers, whatever. So let's take a look. I'll show you I'd like to walk you down into the dining area or the formal dining room, and then there's this beautiful sunroom and it goes out to the backyard, which I'll show you here in just a sec. Okay, so this is the formal dining room. This could be a flex room if you wanted. It could be a playroom, it could be a study. I mean, there's just so many different things, but this is what we have staged as a formal dining room. I wanted to point out here There's a fireplace, and you saw this in the family or in the living room as you walked in. There's a real wood-burning fireplace on the other side of this, and both of those, you know, you can have a fire going on both sides of it, which I think is really cool. As you step down from this formal dining room, you step down into this additional living space, so plenty of living space throughout the house, but this is a sunroom, windows all around. Again, a great playroom, a great office, a great reading room. I mean, there's so many options for this space here. And from here, you can walk out into the backyard, and the backyard is absolutely beautiful. And we're only in March yet, but give this a few more weeks. You can already see some of the flowers are kind of starting to come up, but this backyard is absolutely gorgeous. And the previous owners of this backyard, they were master gardeners, and so they had just, there are pictures I think online of what this looked like, but this is really absolutely stunning back here. And one of the things I really love is on this back patio, you see the large wisteria coming up here, and so when this is in bloom, you've just got these big wisteria blossoms just hanging off of the back patio. So it's really like a lovely spot back here. They used to have a hot tub over there, great entertaining area, and then all of this blooms out as spring continues on. This is absolutely beautiful in the summertime. So as you come back into the kitchen, we're back in the kitchen now, and this is where you head downstairs. So you have the garage is right here, the garage off to your left as you're heading downstairs. But let's head downstairs and I'll show you that as well. Okay, so now we're downstairs in the basement, and this basement has a ton of square footage. Again, the whole house is about 3,500 square feet. There's 2 bedrooms and a full bath down here, plus this little reading nook, office, homework area, whatever you want to call it. But again, plenty of light down here. This could just be like a great little cubby area. And one of the things I really love is built into the staircase as you come down, as you have these kind of built-in shelves. So you can just put some tchotchke here and really decorate it Pottery Barn style with whatever you want here in these built-in shelves. As you come further into the house, you've got, again, lots of fun little nooks and crannies here. This is the laundry room, so you've got a full laundry down here. And then there's under the stairs storage as well. In fact, we'll just go inside here, but that actually goes back there, so there's lots of under the stairs storage in there. And then right here, you've got this, right here you've got a family room, so this could be a great spot for, you can throw a TV, some bean bags or whatever, but this is just a great downstairs spot to have your, family room here. The furnace, let me show you while we're here. So the furnace, which is newer, is right here, and then the water heater is in this closet. So you do have those down here. And actually it's just about to turn on. Okay, and then let's walk through here. We've got our 2 bedrooms, and they're really good sized bedrooms down here. So I'm just surprised by the amount of space that you have. First off is, and you do have the half bath, or the full bathroom down here as well. So here in this is a brand new full bath, and the basement was completely unfinished when this home was purchased most recently. And so it's all, everything down here is completely brand new. It's not just updated, it's brand new. So this is the full bathroom downstairs, tub and shower. And then right here, you've got a really good sized bedroom. The sellers did add brand new egress windows to the downstairs thing, so you've got really big egress windows in each of the downstairs bedrooms. But again, lots of space down here. And yeah, lots of modern colors and finishes throughout. I think you really like this, the amount of space that you have in each of these rooms. Okay, and then finally, let's take a look at this is the 5th bedroom. So again, there were 3 bedrooms upstairs, and we have 2 bedrooms downstairs. Again, really good sized room, tons of great space. This is a king size bed, so as you can see, there's plenty of room in this bedroom as well. So there you have it. This is 5919 West Cruzen Street in Boise. It's a wonderful home, wonderful location. Wonderfully built home with a lot of great, fantastic finishes inside. If you do have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information will be shown, or you can reach out to us at platinumidaho.com and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thank you.